Well, welcome to this video and what will be my channel. In these videos that I'll be doing, I'm going to cover a car that I believe is a brilliant car, and of course it's a BMW and it's an M3, but more importantly to me, the unloved, talking about the E46 M3. When I say the unloved, I'm talking about the E46 M3 convertible. From the videos I've seen on YouTube and so on so far, they all cover the coupe. Hardly anybody covers the convertible. Seems to me to be the unloved model of the M3 series. Well, certainly the E46 as well. For some reason, most people seem to cover the coupes and so on. I'm not going to get into the arguments of the difference between the coupe and the convertible in terms of performance and so on. End of the day, I want my videos to cover just aspects of the M3 convertible E46. I think it's a beautiful car, magnificent, very well, quite underestimated in its performance, its looks, and so on. I mean, look at that. Driving around, top down, in an M3. And of all cars, I reckon, and I'm sure many of you out there reckon, E46 is, I feel, one of the sexiest, fantastic looking cars BMW have done. Frankly, it's been a dream of mine to own one of these for a long time, and only last year I just purchased it. So I've gone through a number of fixes, upgrades, factory upgrades. My journey is bringing this car to be a good factory example. I'm not out to totally go wild and totally modify this thing and go nuts. I'm just looking to make this a really good factory example. I've gone through and done most of the factory retrofits and upgrades. I'll cover these in further videos, but to me, such a versatile car. I mean, let's have a look. Let's have a look at this thing. It's such a versatile car. I mean, look at these. Look at the back of it. What a sexy machine. I mean, lovely interior. I mean, I frankly have changed it, but we'll get into that in other videos. But lovely interior. I mean, look at that. So this is what I'll be covering in my videos of the E46 M3. Most people cover, as I said, the coupes and whatnot. Very few people seem to talk about the convertible and the issues with the convertible, specific to the convertible. And then probably, I imagine, the things that I will cover for the convertible may be things that will be valid for the other models of E46 convertibles, and perhaps even different models past E46 and whatnot for convertible issues. But I'll get into all of those problems later on. I have resolved a lot of them. I will talk about a lot of them. I don't have videos specifically for a lot of them, so I'll be kind of cobbling photos together and explaining it in videos. But to me, what a lovely car. Very, very versatile. Let me show you the trunk as well. I mean, what a lovely car. There we are. So I'll be covering everything that I have done to this car and hopefully help other people. So the idea is to kind of spread what I know about this car now. So hopefully you'll watch and enjoy these videos pertaining to the E46 beautiful M3 convertible. I just wanted to show you what I was saying about this car, the convertible. So obviously not only can you have the top down, you can have the soft top up, so it becomes quite a versatile car. You have the soft top up, I mean, what a lovely looking car. Hats off to the designers of this car. To me, and I'm sure many other people, as you can see out there, the E46 doesn't seem to have aged terribly. So it's still a great looking car. I mean, so even with the soft top. And I also have the hard top. I'll show you that as well. And so you'll see, so you've got virtually 3 different ways you can drive this car. Really versatile. All right, so hope you enjoy my videos to come. As I said, just covering things for the E46 M3 convertible. I'll not be talking about the coupe or anything like that. I won't be talking about sedans or as they say in Europe, saloons or anything like that. I'm just going to talk about this. All right, purely for that. And the other reason for that is that in my looking around on YouTube and whatnot, looking for how-tos and videos and so on, very, very few people are covering the convertibles. Can't explain that, don't know why. But I thought after my efforts in cleaning this car up, I thought it worth me sharing what I've gone through and how I've got, you know, for the car looking like this. So hopefully you'll enjoy and find it useful what I have to share and tell people. Thank you so much, and hope you enjoy as I start to upload videos. Thank you so much. And bye-bye. A quick look of what it looks like with the hard top fitted. Lovely. And here's the other view of the BMW E46 M3, kind of from the front view, showing the hard top. How good does that look? Hats off to the designers, but there are questions to the engineers on some of the things they did, and of course some of the problems you have with these cars. A couple of questions to mind is like, why? Really? Yeah. We'll get to those later on as I go through my videos and my journey of rescuing this car. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the videos to follow. Cheers.